If you want to work fast in Camtasia, then you can use templates, which has been introduced from Camtasia 2020. So to use templates, you can simply go over here onto File, and then you can see that there's an option called New Project with Template. Even if you were to start Camtasia right from the beginning, you see template as an option as well. So let us just see that. Let us just close our project right here. I'm not going to save this. Let us just close it. And over here, if I were to go to Camtasia just like this and start up the application, you can see that new from a template is a choice. So if I were to click on it, I get to the same window as well. Of course, you can go around and click on download more templates, and it'll take you to the Camtasia website where you can download the templates which are there. You do have to be signed in to download them, however. So I'm just going to close this out, and I'm going to click on new from template. This is the default template which is here. So I'm just going to click on new from template. So once I do that, what happens is that the template opens up just like this. So there's a logo right here. There's like a vignette and everything else. So there's like a beginning right here, and there's something like this. So let's just do this. I can go around onto this properties, and I'm just going to select my theme to replace that out right here. And you can see that it is quite easy if you have the theme right there. Of course, you can manually replace out these logos and everything else as well if you want to, just like that. Then there's a screen recording video here. So I'm just going to go around, maybe import out a video that I already have. So I'm just going to go to something like this one. And let's say if I want to replace it, I'm just going to click and drag it, and I have option. I can replace it with clip speed, or I can ripple replace. So I'm just going to go and not worry about the speed. So I'm just going to go to ripple replace, and you can see that it has been replaced out just like this. Of course, I can resize and then manage it out according to what I want. And you can see that there's my intro right here, just like that. So I didn't need to manually make out the intro for me. So there's already intro right here. And then it transitions out to the clip right here. And then it transitions out onto the outro right here, just like this. So that is how you can use templates to easily and quickly work with different projects inside of Camtasia to speed up your workflow. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.